This one's dedicated to all the freaky people out there. All us lovely freaks and weirdos.
Alright, you guys ready to hear this shit? I got the GoPro case on, so it's might muffle it, but check it out. See what happens. So here's the most embarrassing part, and that's driving the damn thing. I gotta drive this across town with my head between my legs because I'm so embarrassed by the sound. So, yeah, I gotta figure this shit out. There's just no way it can be a simple answer. Listen to this shit. I don't know if you can hear that or not in the car, but it's louder than hell. I just want to cover my face. So embarrassing. Don't look at me. Quit looking at me, people. I'm most upset I got a full tank of gas and my car's going to shit. Wasted money, bruh. That's the least of my concern, but damn it. Life goes on, we get another vehicle. I might just turn the music up loud so I don't hear the engine like nothing ever happened.
Your time and call right now. It may change your life for the better. Call.
I want music. So loud. Everyone's staring at me. Good God, you hear that shit? This is so embarrassing.
Why am I talking like this?
Ugh, it's so cringeworthy. I'm losing power here, guys. My car's barely moving. It's struggling to push 32. Our last ride together, girl. We're almost there. We're halfway there. You know what they say, loud cars save lives, or loud pipes save lives. I'm pretty safe unless my car explodes. I'd hop on the highway, but I don't even think I could reach 45. The minimum's like 55. Oh, my car's shaking. It does not like what's going on. Come on, car. I'm trying. Oh my God. It's dying. My car is dying. Oh, I'm losing speed up a hill. I've never been so happy to see a school zone. I can finally keep up in that speed. I just got this person staring at me like, what the fuck? Hey, don't judge me. You're the one walking here. Okay? Alright, let's put it in neutral and just coast. We're just coast. This is the fastest this car's been today. Oh, don't get behind me. You're gonna regret that shit. My car just died. It completely just died. My car completely just died. Fuck. We didn't even make it to the shop. Ugh. Fuck. Not good. Let's restart this. Just died. Oh, it's shot. It's completely dead. Didn't even make it to the fucking shop. Shit! Hi there, my car's broke down. I was hoping to get a tow to a mechanic shop. It's a 07 Hyundai Sonata. Well, the towing company's on their way. Fucking excellent. Well, can I at least have power, get some music going? Just kidding, I ain't crying. I don't cry over this shit. This does suck though. Should I keep the wig on when the guy shows up? Hey man, thanks for showing up. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Just waiting on tow guy. Hope he gets here soon, cause I'm losing time.
At 99.3 The Eagle.
Hope this don't cost much. Need to get back to work. Gonna miss this little bitch. Ah, fuck. Probably got little black pubes all in my hair now. It's an expense I didn't want to have. It's an expense I didn't want to have. This fucking sucks. Alright. Hey guys, this little walk around from my car. It's a 2007 Hyundai Sonata. Runs great. It's for sale. $5 grand if you want it. Here she is. It's beautiful. Don't mind the yellow lights. It means nothing. It just means she's happy. So, oh, it comes with a missing door handle. Aggressive grocery shopping caused that. Poor girl. Never heard the song before. Wait, how many neighbors are just getting the show right now, just watching me out the window like, this motherfucker is on meth or PCP or something, player. I don't know. Here's Brown's. Thank you, Brown's Super Service. You guys got here pretty quick. It's like five minutes. Well, it cost me 68 bucks to tow it here. It was 50 bucks and then $3 per mile. So here we are now at 6 Auto Sales on North Peak Boulevard. See what happens. Well guys, this might be the future of my vlogging for the winter time. If you want more videos like this, not with my car breaking down, but just more personal, just me, let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button. I'll probably put a poll up here in the corner and ask you, do you like this kind of vlog or not? And please respond to that, and we'll just figure this shit out. But wintertime, it's gonna be a lot of playing video games and not riding motorcycles because I don't like the cold. I want to move to California. Yeah, if you guys like these videos, let me know. I'll do more. All right. GTCO out. COE till I die.
CLE till I die. Oh.
This is the end, beautiful